Welcome woodpeckers, I'm Martin Jensen and today we are exploring the more creative parts of our mind. I've created this hell horse out of nothing really, and today I'll take you through the process of how that happens. We are getting super creative. I was down at the beach and there's been a lot of building going on there, and they have been tearing down the forest, and I found all these goodies on the beach. So you might look and see that, oh, this just this trash, but I think I'm going to try to make something creative, a sort of an animal from an adventure you could find in a Lord of the Rings book or something, you know, something unicornish. Well, first we have to load it all out and see what we have. I think it's a good thing to start with the torso, the body, and then start attaching legs. And yeah, the super cool thing about making something out of nothing is that your mind must go to these extreme creative measures to put this thing together. Perfection is achieved not when there's nothing left to add, but when there is nothing left to take away. So after I thought I finished it up, I started cutting stuff away, and were able to bring the head out more. I also added this jawbone and some pieces for the front part of the horse. I turned a pile of rubbish into a organized pile of rubbish on 4 legs, and through the creative flow state, I totally lost track of time and hunger, and I just immersed myself in the activity of building this weird creation. Being so focused puts you into a meditational state of mind, and it works as balm for the soul. This has been a Wacko Workshop episode. I hope you enjoyed it. But before we sign off, have you ever experienced a creative state of flow? Please share your experience in the comment field below, so others might draw knowledge from your experience. Because you know, sharing is caring.